Hi, I'm Freya from Shout Connect, and today I'm going to be giving you a tour of our HQ. This is the Shout Connect co-working space. So we offer a variety of packages, so if you're looking for somewhere to work, whether it's on a permanent or temporary basis, speak to one of our team and we can get you booked in using one of the free day passes. And here we have some of the Shout Connect team hard at work. This is our boardroom. So the Shout Connect boardroom is available for a variety of uses, and events and meetings can be hosted in here and we can fit up to 30 people. This is our conference suite, come on in. So our conference suite hosts up to 80 people, and along with the boardroom we can also change the layouts to fit to your needs. This is our incredible podcasting suite. The team often use this room to film and create their own content, but we also hire this room out to anyone who's working on their own projects, so if you're interested in getting booked in to use this room, make sure to get in touch. And if you're spending a day here, you mustn't forget to use the amazing American diner, with free coffee, incredible views of Preston docks, and even Harry Styles. What's not to love? We hope you enjoyed taking a sneak peek at the Shout Connect HQ. We'd love to see you here, so if you'd like to come and join us, visit www.shoutconnect.co.uk for more information.